How to scribble on iPhone calculator in your iOS 18. Before that, make sure that you have updated version of your system. You must use iOS 18 version to use Scribble on your iPhone calculator. Now, open your calculator on your iPhone. At the bottom left corner, you will see calculator icon. Tap on it and then select Math Notes. Then your notes will be opened. From here, select the pencil icon and give the math problem and make sure give them a equals to. Then it will be solved automatically. As you can see, as you write equals, it will automatically give you the answers. In this way, you can easily use Scribble on iPhone calculator. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.